Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure clients using Fiverr, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Fiverr account if you don't have one. Visit the Fiverr website and click on join in the upper right corner. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once registered, complete your profile by adding a professional photo and a compelling description of your skills. Make sure to specify the services you offer in your profile. Research similar gigs to understand the market and set competitive prices. Click on Selling in the top menu and then select Gigs to create your first gig. Use an engaging title that clearly describes your service. Select a relevant category and subcategory for your gig. Write a detailed gig description explaining what you offer and how you stand out. Incorporate keywords related to your service to improve visibility. Add attractive gig images or videos that showcase your work. Set your pricing tiers, including basic, standard, and premium options. Make sure your delivery time is realistic. Offer extras such as faster delivery or additional services for an increased fee. Once your gig is created, promote it through your social media channels and online communities. Respond promptly to inquiries to build trust with potential clients. Deliver high-quality work on time to ensure positive feedback. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews, as these enhance your credibility. Regularly update your gig based on client feedback and market trends. Consider expanding your offerings as you gain experience and confidence. Stay active on Fiverr by regularly checking and updating your profile and gigs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.